Welcome to our channel, where we explore the latest updates and features in popular apps like WhatsApp. Today, we're going to show you how to create a video call link on WhatsApp using your PC, thanks to the new update that makes video conferencing even more accessible. First, let's get started by opening the WhatsApp app on your PC. Make sure you have the latest version installed and that you're logged in with your account. If you haven't installed WhatsApp on your PC yet, you can download it from the official WhatsApp website. Once you have WhatsApp open, look to the left side of the screen and click on the phone icon. This will take you to the calling options, where you can initiate voice or video calls. Now, click on Create Call Link at the top of the Calls window. This feature allows you to generate a unique link that you can share with others, making it easy for them to join your call without needing to be in your contacts list. Next, you'll see a drop-down menu under Call Type. Here, select Video to ensure that the link you share allows participants to join a video call. This is particularly useful for meetings or catching up with friends and family remotely. After selecting the call type, you'll see the generated link. Click on it to copy it to your clipboard. You can then share this link via WhatsApp messages, emails, or any other communication platform you prefer. Sharing a video call link is incredibly convenient, especially when you need to coordinate with multiple people. It eliminates the hassle of manually adding each participant or worrying about timing. With this feature, you can create a link days in advance and share it with everyone involved, allowing them to join at their convenience. To join a call, simply click on the shared link and hit Join. The link remains valid for 30 days if unused, giving you plenty of time to plan ahead. That's it. With these simple steps, you can create and share video call links on WhatsApp using your PC. This feature is a game changer for remote communication, making it easier than ever to stay connected with others. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and updates.